He is here.
He is here.
He is here to fix the problem.
He is here to fix the problem.
They are here.
They are here.
They are here to learn English.
They are here to learn English.
I am here.
I am here.
I am here to support you.
I am here to support you.
Everyone is here.
Everyone is here.
Everyone is here to attend the meeting.
To attend the meeting.
The manager is here.
The manager is here.
The manager is here to discuss the plan.
The manager is here to discuss the plan.
The doctor is here.
The doctor is here.
The doctor is here to check the patient fee.
The doctor is here to check the patient.
My friend is here.
My friend is here.
My friend is here to see me.
My friend is here to see me.
The teacher is here.
The teacher is here.
The teacher is here to explain the lesson.
The teacher is here to explain the lesson.
We are here.
We are here.
We are here to help our team.
We are here to help our team.